For this question, we'll solve the quadratic equation 7x squared plus 8x equals 0. If possible, when we solve a quadratic equation, we factor. And in this case, we can factor out the common factor x. So we write x times 7x plus 8 equals 0. Since it's factored, we can use the principle of zero products, which means that if two numbers are multiplied by each other, either x, which is one of the factors, equals 0, or the other factor, 7x plus 8, equals 0. Well, this equation is already solved for x. If we subtract 8 from both sides on this equation, and then divide both sides by 7, we have solved for x in this equation as well. Both 0 and negative 8/7 will check in the original equation, so I can state then that the solutions are 0 and negative 8/7.